I'm Josh Green with Eastern Title and Settlement, and we want to give you a market update with what's going on in the world today with this coronavirus and how that's affecting our industry, the title and finance industry. So Maryland and DC did not have the availability to do a e-notary closing until last week when they made an exception. Our underwriters are allowing us to do it. So tomorrow, Eastern Title and Settlement will be conducting our first e-notary for a Maryland property, which has never been done. And we are now the first company in the area that has conducted and done and tested an e-closing. We have done them in Virginia, so if you're in Virginia, don't worry about that. We have this system in place. It's just a different system for Maryland. So we are ahead of the curve. We are ready to do your closings. Get us those deals and we'll make sure they get closed. We are having a few problems with settlement agents. They are getting a little bit scared to go out. So, as that gets more difficult, we will be turning to doing the e-closings more often. And the other benefit of Eastern Title is we try not to use outside notary services unless it's absolutely necessary. So we have our own in-staff closers. If you're doing business with us, you know Rob, you know Ben, Nikki, Margaret, even I can do them for you if requested. So right now is a really different time in the title industry. The lenders are having problems doing job verifications and finding out after they close that the borrower lost their job last week. So, one of the things that we could tell you that we're seeing is we're seeing a lot of loans that close that aren't funding because of that. So as a loan officer or mortgage person or real estate agent, you really got to communicate with your borrowers that, hey, did you keep your job? Have you been laid off? Because that could be a possible issue later on. We're also here to help you stay safe during this pandemic. And we have hand sanitizers and latex gloves in stock to help our clients also protect their clients. So if you need anything, please feel free to reach out to Eastern Title, to your marketing rep, or to me directly. I'm Josh Green. You can contact me, josh@easterntitle.com, by email, or you can call me directly at 240-660-2278 with any request.